Top 5 Best Electric Chainsaws. Number 5. DeWalt DCS677Y1 60V Max Cordless Chainsaw Kit. When you're looking for power comparable to gas chainsaws but with the benefits of electric operation, the DeWalt DCS677Y1 is a top choice. With its 20-inch bar and powerful 60V max brushless motor, this chainsaw is designed for heavy-duty cutting tasks, such as felling large trees or cutting thick logs. It produces up to 3.49 horsepower, giving it the strength to cut through dense wood with ease. Built for durability, the DCS677Y1 has continuous lubrication through an auto-oiling system, reducing friction and prolonging the lifespan of the chain. DeWalt has included an onboard wrench for quick chain adjustments, allowing you to switch between tasks seamlessly. However, it's worth noting that some users have found the chain can wear quickly, and finding replacement chains may be challenging. Despite this, the DeWalt DCS677Y1 stands as a powerful, reliable chainsaw for users tackling bigger, more demanding jobs. Coming in number 4, Worx WG322 20V Power Shared 10-inch Cordless Chainsaw. Compact and highly portable, the Worx WG322 is a 10-inch chainsaw powered by a 20V battery, making it ideal for lighter tasks like pruning or cutting small branches. This model is easy to handle, weighing in at just 6.2 pounds. Its lightweight design, combined with a chain speed of 12.5 feet per second, makes it efficient for quick, smooth cuts. One of the standout features of the WG322 is its auto-tension and auto-lubrication systems. These automatic systems simplify maintenance and ensure the chainsaw is always at peak performance, even during extended use. The 20V PowerShare battery is compatible with over 75 tools in the Worx lineup, offering a broad range of use cases without needing separate batteries. It's an excellent option for occasional home use, where a lighter, easy-to-store chainsaw is all you need. Coming in number 3, Ryobi Ry 405010 40V HP Brushless. Ryobi Ry 405010 is a compact yet capable electric chainsaw, featuring a 14-inch bar and chain with a 24-inch cut capacity that can handle moderate to large cutting tasks around the home or on a small property. The 40V HP technology is paired with a brushless motor, giving it a 15% boost in power compared to standard models and extending its runtime and motor longevity. This chainsaw's adjustable automatic oiler is particularly useful, keeping the chain consistently lubricated and ensuring smooth cuts with minimal friction. Side access chain tensioning and onboard tool storage make it simple to adjust or maintain on the fly, saving you time. Note that this model does not come with a battery or charger, making it ideal for users who already have compatible Ryobi 40V tools. Coming in number 2, Worx Nitro 40V 16 inches Cordless Brushless Chainsaw. For those seeking a combination of power and versatility, the Worx Nitro 40V Cordless Chainsaw offers a fantastic 16-inch bar and a 40V battery capable of handling a wide variety of cutting tasks. Thanks to its high-efficiency brushless motor, the Nitro runs 50% longer than brushed motor models, delivering 25% more power and lasting up to 10 times longer, which makes it suitable for tougher jobs and even hardwood cutting. Its PowerShare Pro battery system is a bonus, letting you use the same battery with over 140 other Worx tools. This chainsaw shines in delivering precise and powerful cuts with a high chain speed of 59 feet per second, twice the speed of its previous model. Additionally, with the automatic lubrication and tool-less chain tensioning systems, it's built for convenience. The quick-stop chain brake adds safety by reducing the risk of kickback injuries, and the safety trigger lock prevents accidental starts, offering a solid balance between performance and user protection. Coming in number 1, Husqvarna Power AX 350i Cordless Electric Chainsaw. Husqvarna Power AX 350i is a standout electric chainsaw with its 18-inch bar, delivering a level of power that rivals gas models without the bulk and hassle. This model is perfect for users needing robust cutting capabilities without the weight, thanks to its brushless motor and lightweight design that's 10% lighter than comparable models. It's equipped with an X-cut chain, renowned for its sharpness and long-lasting durability, so you'll need fewer replacements over time. The tool-less tensioning system is a convenient feature, making it easy to adjust the chain without the fuss of extra tools. Unique to this model is the boost mode, allowing a quick 25% power surge for tackling denser wood or tougher cutting jobs. This feature, along with the powerful 40V lithium-ion battery, allows the saw to match or even surpass similar gas-powered models. Additionally, The Power AX's compatibility with other Husqvarna 40-volt tools means you can use the same battery across various devices, maximizing your investment. Complete with a BLI 30 battery and QC 250 charger, the Power AX 350i is ready to go right out of the box.